Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure the dock available on every display on Mac. So when you use multiple monitors, the dock may appear only on the display set as your main display. macOS can make the dock available on every other connected display by giving each display its own desktop space. This does not normally place a permanent copy of dock on every screen at the same time. Instead, it allows your dock to appear on the display you are currently using when you move the pointer to edge where the dock is positioned. So to do it, first click on the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and then in the right side pane, scroll and find Mission Control. After that, enable the toggle right to display have separate spaces, and next you will see required logouts beside the setting. So save your open documents and then click on the Apple menu and choose logout when the menu prompt. After that, log out your user account and log back in. And from now on, the dock will be available across every connected display, and move the pointer to the dock edge on the display you are using and the dock should appear there. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.